Right, as I says, I put the 1 gig video card in, 32 gig of RAM. I haven't changed the CPU yet. Originally with the 24 gig and the 512 graphics card, I was getting about 10 to 12 FPS, and I'm running Unigine Heaven Benchmark 4 on low setting. Now I'm getting 18 to about 22. 67 on the GPU for temperature, about 50, 46, 50 on the CPU, 48 on the GPU. Obviously GPU is running at 99%. Full screen, there goes the specs there. Way better than, I was dipping right down to 4 FPS with the other video card. So we'll see if we get a bit more when I change the CPU, if it accepts it. Right, back shortly.